Hello and welcome to Top Maths and Other Tips. Today we're looking at angles in a straight line. Now what we're going to do here is where our two lines meet, we're going to place a sprinkler. And we're going to let the sprinkler do a half turn. And what you can see there is you've got two angles, angle 1 and angle 2. And it's these two angles that add up to 180 degrees. Now it looks easy at the first one, but on this example, it then becomes more difficult. You've got this straight line here. A lot of students think angles 1, 2, and 3 add up to 180 degrees. But let's look where our two lines cross. Let's place a sprinkler. And the half turn shows us it's angles 2 and 3 that add up to 180 degrees. It's nothing to do with this angle over here. Now, angles 1, 4, and 2, they add up to 180 degrees because they're inside the triangle. But it's angles 2 and 3 that are on the straight line. Now, here's a much more difficult example. So we're going to have several sprinklers here. These two lines meet, and we're going to do the sprinkler. So C and D are on a straight line. They add up to 180 degrees. Sprinkler here. A and B add up to 180 degrees. And here we've actually got three lines meeting at a point. So E, F, and G add up to 180 degrees. Now the sprinkler is very good practice. It's a very good dance move. I was going to show it to you, but my children said no way. So we're going to show it to you this way. So here's the sprinkler. Arm out straight. And back again. And there you go. There's the sprinkler. You can always bust that out when you're on the dance floor. Now let's look at one example to see if you understand the sprinkler. So here we go. We need to find angle A. We know this is 100 degrees. We've got two lines intersecting, so we're going to place a sprinkler. So we know they have to add up to 180 degrees. We have 100, so this angle must be 80. We have two lines intersecting, so we're going to place a sprinkler. We have 120, so this one must be the remaining 60 to make 180. Now our triangle, you know, adds up to 180 degrees. You know that because your maths teachers told you. So 80 and 60 makes 140, leaving a remaining 40 degrees. And there you go. Now remember, life is one big competition. I wouldn't tell anyone else about these videos, except maybe your best friend. Until next time, this is Top Maths and Other Tips.